Apparently the UK now has the highest number of COVID-19 deaths in Europe. Coincidentally, the government has now dropped off its country comparison slides from its ministerial briefings. But this is not a party political broadcast. This is Phil Curtis from Tickbox Data Systems, and we just want to verify this little data story and check it out using our Power BI dashboard. So our data sources are integrated from various places, or mashed up as you might say, and they're updated daily automatically, which you can find on a link below and use anytime you want. We can see here runs up to yesterday, the 19th of May. So let's focus in on Europe, and then we can just filter all those countries together. If we order by total deaths, we'll effectively rank them, and we can see that, yeah, United Kingdom's got more than 35,000 now, and that's quite a lot more than Italy, France and Spain. So this is quite surprising and unpleasant for the UK. So let's look at a timeline for total deaths and see whether or not we can verify, well, when did that start happening? So if we highlight the United Kingdom, that should be the highest line here on the right hand side, which would be yesterday's data, and we can see that it crossed over from the purple line, which is Italy, on the 5th of May. So this is all fair enough, and so yeah, we do have the highest number of deaths, but there's a little bit more to it than that, and we want to make sure that we actually adjust by population. If we sort by deaths per capita, in this case per 100,000 people, we can reorder everything and check the rankings to see that the United Kingdom actually dropped below Italy and Spain, and in fact Belgium is far worse with 78 deaths per 100,000 people. San Marino is the worst, but that is a bit of an outlier, together with Andorra, because there's only tens of thousands of people that live there, and so probably they have a high amount of travel or something, making that death rate particularly high for them. But on the whole, the larger countries, Spain is ahead, Italy, and then the United Kingdom. So effectively we can see that we're not the worst off in Europe, as long as you adjust by population, which makes complete sense. Further analysis we can do across age, sex, underlying medical conditions, area density, household makeup, so on. This is all going to be brilliant. We've only scratched the surface, so this is very simple, but we've got a good baseline and the structure to hang those analyses off of. So for now, thanks for listening. Any likes and comments appreciated. Till next time, stay safe.